Hello friends, today we discuss about G main problem from the section set theory. This problem is taken from 2018 year G main question paper. Question discuss ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുന്നേ ഈ പ്രോബ്ലം എത്ര ടഫാണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് പറയാൻ വയ്യ. എനിവേ എലിപ്സ് എന്നുള്ളൊരു ഐഡിയ അറിയണം. എലിപ്സ് റിസൾട്ട് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ നോട്ട് ദി ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. എ ബി ദി സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ ഓർഡേർഡ് പെയർ. പ്ലസ് വണ്ണിൽ നമ്മൾ സെക്കൻഡ് ചാപ്റ്ററിൽ റിലേഷനും ഫംഗ്ഷൻ എല്ലാം പഠിച്ചതാണ്. ഓർഡേർഡ് പെയർ R cross R. A is a real number, B is a real number, ordered pair AB. That model is set. A equal to set of all ordered pair AB. Set of all points in the plane, that is ordered pair AB. Modulus of A minus B less than 1 and modulus of B. A minus 5 less than 1 and modulus of B minus 5 less than 1. So note the condition. Ordered pair AB with A condition A minus 5 less than 1, B minus 5 magnitude less than 1. Now B, set B equal to ordered pair AB belongs to R cross R. 4 into A minus 6 square plus 9 into B minus 5 square less than or equal to 36. Now the first set A equal to what? A minus 5 less than 1. A minus 5 magnitude less than 1 means A is a number between 5 plus 1 6 and 5 minus 1 4. A lies between 4 and 6. Similarly, B minus 5 less than 1 means B less than 5 plus 1, that is 6. B greater than 5 minus 1, that is 4. So both A and B between 4 and 6. Why? Any number from 5 less than 1 ആണ്. That is 5 plus 1 6, 5 minus 1 4. So A lies between 4 and 6. Similarly B lies between 4 and 6. So what about A? Set A? Set AB. Ordered pair AB ആണ്. Ordered pair AB. What about R cross R? 4 to 6, 4 to 6 open interval. Where is 4 to 6, 4 to 6 open interval? Note the figure. A equal to 4 to 6, B equal to 4 to 6. So mark A on the x-axis A, y-axis B, 4 to 6. 4 to 6. That is 4 to 6. And B again from 4 to 6. That rectangle. So A value 4 to 6, B value 4 to 6, that rectangle without boundary. That is A and B between 4 and 6 are equal to 4 illa, equal to 6 illa. That rectangle without boundary. That is the set A. A equal to this rectangle. A varying from 4 to 6, B varying from 4 to 6 without boundary. That rectangle. Interior point of the rectangle. That is our set A. Note B. A minus 6 square. 4 into A minus 6 square plus 9 into B minus 5 square less than or equal to 36. So dividing throughout by 36. 4 by 36, that is by 9. A minus 6 square by 9. B minus 5 square by 36. 9 by 36 4. That is B minus 5 square by 4. Less than or equal to 1. Equal to 1, it is an ellipse. Less than or equal to 1 means interior with boundary and less than or equal to 1. So boundary points and interior points of the ellipse. It is an ellipse. Now again, for this ellipse, center A minus 6 equal to 0, A equal to 6, B minus 5 equal to 0, B equal to 5. That is 6 5 center. So note the ellipse with 6 to 5. Where is the point 6 to 5? This is the point 6 to 5. This point 6 to 5. That is the center. By 9 ആണ് 3 യൂണിറ്റ് റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് 3 യൂണിറ്റ് ലെഫ്റ്റിലേക്ക്. That is 3 യൂണിറ്റ് റൈറ്റ്, here is a point, 3 യൂണിറ്റ് ലെഫ്റ്റ്, here is a point. And 2 യൂണിറ്റ് upward, here is a point, 2 യൂണിറ്റ് downward, here is a point. Join these points. Clear ആയിട്ട് this പോയിന്റിലൂടെ പാസ് ചെയ്യും, this പോയിന്റിലൂടെ പാസ് ചെയ്യും. That ellipse with boundary ആണ് our set B. So B is the set of all points on the ellipse and the interior of the ellipse. What about the set A? Interior point of the rectangle. So clearly from the figure, a subset of B. A is a subset of B. Now the option A is a subset of B, B is a subset of A equal to B, or neither A subset A nor B subset of A. Neither A subset of B nor B subset of A. And they are disjoint. ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഓപ്ഷൻ. പക്ഷേ ഫിഗർ നമുക്ക് ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് കിട്ടും A is a subset of B. So once again note the answer. Modulus of A minus 5 less than 1 means A lies between 4 and 6. Why 4 and 6? 5 plus 1 6, 5 minus 1 4. Less than ആയതുകൊണ്ട് 4 ഉം 6 ഉം ഇല്ല. Between 4 and 6. Similarly, B minus 5 magnitude less than 1 means B lies between 4 and 6. So A is a number between 4 and 6, B is a number between 4 and 6. So mark A axis A and axis B. Mark the point 2 4 6. So 4 6. A lies between 4 and 6. B lies between 4 and 6. So this base 4 to 6, height again 4 to 6. That rectangle without boundary. Why without boundary? A and B lies between 4 and 6 now. So note the second set ellipse. What? Divide 36 on divide here. A minus 5 square by 9 plus B minus A minus 6 square by 9 plus B minus 5 square by 4 less than or equal to 1. Clearly it is an ellipse. What about the center? A minus 6 0 means A equal to 6. B minus 5 equal to 0 means B equal to 5. That point is 6 to 5 center. And by 9 ആണ് 3 square ആണ് 9. അപ്പോൾ 3 യൂണിറ്റ് ലെഫ്റ്റിലോട്ട് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുക, 3 യൂണിറ്റ് റൈറ്റിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുക. B minus 5 square by 4 ആണ്. 2 square 4. അപ്പോൾ 2 യൂണിറ്റ് ഡൗൺവേർഡ്, 2 യൂണിറ്റ് അപ്വേർഡ് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുക. 6 5 സെന്റർ ആയിട്ട് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. That ellipse on the ellipse and the interior of the ellipse because less than or equal to 1 ആണ്. So all the points on the ellipse and the interior of the ellipse. So from the figure it is clear that A is a subset of B. Okay, clear ആയി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. Thank you.